British Columbia. I think this is a may NW there. This is a small town, Habibi, no?
Tayo sa Canadian Tire. Pero may Canadian Tire eh.
Yeah, Canadian Tire.
So malaki siya to.
Pwede. Kasi may co-op siya. Tapos, ano ba meron dito? Co-op. Meron din silang airport in. So, may airport dito, dear. Minutes more, guys. Going to Canadian Tire. May Canadian Tire sila.
Mountain Tire, sarado na yun.
Wala na yan, 5 o'clock lang yan.
Tsaka Cal Tire.
Wala na rin yan.
Gagas pati ako dito.
Doon na muna tayo sa retort, my love.
Okay.
Kasi doon hanggang 7 lang yun. 6:20 na. Ako, brother, mamaya ka na. Sagutin mo ba? Huwag na. Makikita naman na natin, di ba? Sagutin natin. Picture, love, tingnan mo. 70. 9 minutes to go. 50 ahead, Habibi, ha? 50 ahead. Ay, crystal glass, oh. Ito yun. Crystal glass. Canada ang hair ko, dear.
So tired today.
Yeah, you want me to continue the travel or you can do it? Do you trust your wife driving? No, you can take it, Habibi. First time. 8 minutes to go. Stay
So
on
there's
your
super safe gas there.
stay on your truck. Quesnel Riverfront. Here. Prestige Hostel. Prestige. Is that a hostel? Oh yeah. Lodge. Quesnel downtown. The stoplights are flashing, guys. Construction ahead, baby, huh? Be careful. Construction only 30. Travel Lodge. Sabi ko sa'yo, be careful eh.
Okay, ba't ba kasi may ganun to, no? GG, my love.
Fraser Village. Oops. Uy, mini Japan. Japanese restaurant. So, malaki pala tong Quesnel, my love, no? May Tim Hortons na naman dyan. Go na.
Onto Legion Drive.
Keep right. Kasi mag-aano ka. Roundabout. Wow, river. By the river. By the river. By the river. By the river. Keep right. Wow. River. Ganda
Larch Avenue.
Okay, stick to the road, Habibi. Williams Lake South. We're almost there. Quesnel. 50, huh? 50.
destination.
Okay, we're here guys for the retort. See you guys
Arrived.
later.